Atongoria a honge itiganite iria ikoretwo ikinyitanira kurua na ungumania bururi-ini megwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya seneti ya watho na kihoto gutariria makinya maria matacukitie mbaara-ini ino.
We have no personal interest other than to ensure that the rule of law, that our constitution is respected, and that justice is done in every case without exception.
Marauga kihingisha kinene mbaara-ini ya ungumania ni maafitha anene aria maratengerera magoti kurugamia uthuthuria.
The Professor Ojenda case seeking prohibitory orders barring any commencement of civil or criminal suits with respect to any tax question was filed as a conservatory order issued prohibiting the main investigative agencies, that is the DCI, the ESCC, plus the KRA, for commencing any civil or criminal proceedings or summoning him.
Gukiri uguo maroria watho nyitanyitwo niguo aria mekwirwo ungumania makamba kweherera iturua ciao nginyagia macira mao marike tondu mahota kuhingisha uthuthuria.
You've seen somebody goes back to the office, then you hear they've been breakage, certain documents have disappeared. It's quite very frustrating actually, and it actually presents a challenge in terms of tampering with evidence and witnesses.
Iguru ria kuongerereka kwa jama cia gukungia thirikari wara urihi-ini wa magoti, komishoni ya kurua na ungumania yugite ni undu wagirirwo ni kumurikwo na aria mekunyitikana matwirirwo ta ekinai.
These cases are becoming complex by the day because we are going to areas that a lot of people have tried to avoid.
Ona kuri uguo honge ici ni ithiete na mbere na kuorota ruhonge rwa magoti makiuga ni mararekereria ikwiro wa ungumania na mbeca nini na koguo kurituhia mbaara ya ungumania makiria. Ngiribotera Arror TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wajihia.